We fell out of love like shooting stars, came crashing down, and we're building back up again now.
Hello you guys, I'm the Diva and I am back with a product unboxing, kind of like a review, actually swatch. Unboxing and a swatch. I will be doing like a small series of these. I have 3 miniature lipstick sets that I wanted to go over. This right here is the item that started this whole thing off. It is the Marc Jacobs On the Dot 3-piece La Marque Liquid Lip Crayon Collection. And these are just miniature lip crayons, you guys, and this is at Sephora right now for only $25. They have this one right here, and then they have one that is, I think it's black and white from Marc Jacobs, and I was gonna get that one too, but I think it has 2 of these colors in it, and I was like, bummer. I'm not gonna spend $25 to get 2 of the same ones. I don't care if I like it or not. This is a try on and to see if I like it. If I like it, I might go back. I don't know. Just in case you're wondering, the lip gloss that I have on today is, I think, the Momma Star lipstick by MAC. This is from the Patrick Star collection. Here are the lipsticks right here. They are kind of small, but you guys, when I looked at how much product was in here, I was amazed because you get 3 of them and it's only $25, and you're trying 3 of his colors just to see if you like it. Then they want you to go back and get the larger size. But this is gonna last me a long time. What I plan on doing is trying each one of these on and then swatching it on my hand also and just giving my thoughts. I do have thoughts on 2 of the colors because I actually wore them. As soon as I got it in the mail, I cracked it open and put one of them on, hated it, thought I was gonna have to take the whole thing back. Then I tried the next one on, loved it, and knew I was going to be keeping it. The first one that I'm going to try on is Nightmauled number 310. When I saw this color in the package, I assumed that I was gonna love this one, and I swatched this on my hand, and it is just a beautiful mauve color. But when I put it on my lips, it is not pigmented enough for me, and I just feel like I need to put on another layer. Then I put that layer on and I feel like I need to put another layer on, and then I put that layer on, and then I look like I have been eating a pile of powdered donuts. I don't like it. Now, what I did end up doing, and what I can do each time, is put a lip liner on with it, and it does make it look better. I did not bring a lip liner in here tonight, so we just have to go with what this looks like, and I don't care for it. The next color is Plum and Get It. Okay, this is Plum and Get It. This is the color that saved this whole box for me. I love this color. It just complements my skin tone so well. It is an actual plum, and I believe that it has a blue base to it, and it has like a blue sheen on top. I just love it. I cannot get enough of wearing this. Ever since I bought it, I've been wearing it every day. This last color is called Ready to Go, and this is the only one that I have not used. I want to go ahead and show you approximately how much product is in each. And this is about how much product you get for each one, you guys. That's a lot of lipstick. That's why I said this really is a very good value with this bundle. All right, and this is Ready to Go. This color right here, I kind of like it. I am not a red person. You guys, I grew up with my mom telling me that hookers were red. And I don't know. Sometimes I get in the mood for, I guess I be feeling a little hookerish. No, I'm just kidding. But sometimes I get in the mood and I'm feeling a little vampy and I want to wear a little bit of red. But I don't necessarily go out of my way to wear a red. But this is a beautiful color. I really like it. Yeah, I would wear it. This was my short little swatch unboxing review-ish on the Marc Jacobs miniature on the dot set. I really hope you like this video. If this is your first time checking out one of my videos, I would appreciate it if you would go ahead and go down there, click that subscribe button, go right on over, click the bell, and then if you're feeling really giving, go ahead and click that like button. Until next time, you guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.
Something right beside you.